Lesson 1, page 27. Let's work with the Photoshop interface. These steps have no effect on the image itself. We'll type Ctrl-0 to fit screen so we can see how the whole image looks. If you want Photoshop to look different, you can rearrange and regroup your panels. Let's drag the Swatches panel over here, which undocks it. Let's undock Adjustments by dragging it here. You can also change the panel groups. We'll drag the Paths panel and dock it with Properties. If the panels are taking up too much screen space, we can expand and contract the panel dock by clicking Collapse Icons, the double-headed arrow at the top of the dock. You can save any new workspace layout that you create, but you may want to put things back to normal. Go to the Window menu, Workspace, Reset Essentials.